ladies, Danny here from Classics for a Cause. I'm here with this epic retro RV that you could win. Let me take you through. All right, so I'm in the driver's seat here, and as you can see, it's this beautiful like baby blue and white dashboard, and of course, a little Hawaiian hula girl. But what makes it so great is this seat. It's lovely, it's supportive on the sides, and of course, it's that lovely caramel leather. So when you enter the RV, you've got this gorgeous little, what I like to call a dump and burn corner. So a little area for your keys and your phone, of course, a custom Jai Vazicek tile, and little crystals and candles to make the space feel a little bit more vibey. So we have renovated the entire internals of this retro RV for maximum comfort, obviously. So I'm going to start over here in the kitchen. So first you'll see this beautiful, super vibey blue and white custom cabinetry with these lovely little circular scalloped handles to set it off. But that is all set by this beautiful blue and white scalloped wallpaper, and of course this custom raffia clad pelmets. So what a lovely little kitchen to make your morning's cups of tea, little sausage and bread, whatever you like. Lovely little vignette in the corner for a little cheese platter. Fridge, you've got a pantry here. Everything's just looking schmick in this kitchen. And then we enter the dining room. So you have this awesome fold down table. That is multi-purpose, of course, but mainly for entertaining. Cheese platter, glass of wine perhaps, and folds up for maximum space. And welcome to your bedroom. So we have 100% French linen sheets, we've got Bonnie and Neil feature cushions, we've got a decorative shelf that you can put all your bedtime knickknacks, we've got 2 brass reading lights, and then we have your blue and white cabinets up top for storage, and look at these 3 massive windows to open up to let all the natural light and air in on those beautiful summer balmy nights. Ladies, there's no other way to experience the epicness of this retro RV but to win it yourself. So get in now, get your packages, don't miss out. Danny from Classics for a Cause, proudly supporting our Aussie veterans. Good luck. Baby, I will hold